guys, it's Star the Flippin' Hippo. Thank you for joining us on our YouTube channel at Flippin' Hippos. Recently, I've been getting a lot of messages and questions asking me how to comp prices for your eBay listings. So tonight I'm just going to do a real quick screen share video for beginner resellers or those of you that are new to eBay. You want to look for the item that you're listing and be somewhat specific, but not too specific. For instance, if you have a Lily Pulitzer blouse, you don't need to find the same exact blouse, the same print, design, color, and size. You just want to look at Lily Pulitzer blouses and see what they're selling for. I think that is a trap that a lot of new resellers fall into. They want to find the exact specific item a lot of times, and you don't really need to. You just kind of need the brand and style and gender. So we're going to act like we're listing a pair of silver ACO women's jeans. So you would type that in here and search for it. And then on the left down here, you're going to want to push buy it now, because that's going to be a more realistic price for what they're selling for than auctions. And whether your item is used or new, we're going to say mine are used. And then you want to click sold. You want to see what they're actually selling for. Anybody can list any item at any price, and it's not always reliable to go off of that. You want to see what they're actually selling for. And then come up here to the top right here and make sure that you have ended recently under sort. You want ended recently so you can see what is selling now or most recent. And then you can kind of scroll down. This pair, they accepted a best offer. This one they did too, but you can see they started at 30, 32, 22, 35. So the prices are like right around 25 or 30, and it looks like this pair sold for 35. They're a plus size, that might be why. Plus sizes sell for more. So you can just kind of get an idea, and then you want to take the average. I usually go on the higher end, but my recommendation to most people, especially new resellers, would be to just kind of take the average and list at that, or you can list on the high end with best offer. That's a good option too. But this works for anythings. This works for anything. Say like you had a pair of Converse, pink high tops, women's. Just go down again and make sure that you're only looking at used if you have used, or new if you have new, and the rest should stay the same for you. So you can see that they sold, this one was the best offer accepted, but they were listed originally at 26. These are right around 23. So you could just go down and kind of get the average price. It works for new items as well. This will work for anything. Say like you had a Monopoly game and you had the Millennium Edition and yours is new, so you would make sure that you go down here, say mine is new, make sure you're ended recently, and you can see what they're selling for. So that's it in a nutshell. Just type in the search bar specifics about the item you're looking for. You don't have to find the exact one in most cases. Just be specific and make sure that you're checking on the left whether it's used or new. You want buy it now to get a more realistic price than an auction, and you want to click on sold items and make sure you sort ended recently. And you can just go down, and this gives you a good idea of how well things are selling too. If you pull up an item that hasn't sold since September or August, that's not a good sell-through rate, and that may not be an item that you want to source. If you can see that they're selling every single day pretty often, then that's a good item to have. Thank you for watching, guys. Do me a favor and hit the like button before you leave. If you have any more questions or you need anything else explained to you, feel free to leave comments. I will be more than happy to help anyone with any questions that you have. If you haven't already and you would like to, please subscribe to our channel and help us feed a hungry hippo. You can find us on Instagram, Facebook, and Twitter. We're at Flippin' Hippos. Until next time, you guys have a good night.